What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to do two unboxings in this video. So this is filmed after the fact. If you guys are noticing the quality difference of my camera, it's been utterly insane just because there's one lens. And obviously I'm not using my Canon M50. And like I said, this is a gift for me to you guys. You know, it was a gift for myself, don't get me wrong, but you'll see the unboxing video is more a gift to you guys because as we go into 2022, I just want to step up the quality for you guys, especially when I do these B-rolls and also vlogging for the channel and also for BMW Invasion. So like I said, this is a gift from me to you, and you guys will hear it again in the video. But just to show you the difference of quality wise, I'm gonna basically vlog on this real quick, and just to show you, I'll put a clip into it. So this is basically the quality of this camera. This is a Canon M50 with the 11-22 lens, and this is the quality difference between this and also this. What's up guys? I just want to interrupt this video and I want to tell you guys that I just picked up, I would say, one of the best lenses for vlogging. I may use the Sony a7 III to vlog, but this is a lens I've been wanting to get, and Sony G Master lenses are one of the top tier lenses for Sony, and also you are paying a premium for it. So I did destroy my 24-70 Sigma art lens. Ended up dropping it and ended up breaking, but good thing I had insurance on it. I bought the Amazon insurance, I think through Assurion, whatever the company is, or I'll list it right over here. Basically I bought the insurance for that. It was like $100, but it covered my lens for up to 3 years, and I had the lens for maybe about a year and a half, and it ended up breaking. So luckily they couldn't repair it, or luckily, unfortunate, whatever it is, but they were unable to repair it, and they just basically refunded me the total amount. So what I did was I took that money and I bought myself a Sony G Master lens, and it's kind of like for me to thank you guys on following me during this journey, because I want to give you guys the best quality content. So here it is. So here it is, Sony G Master 16-35 2.8 aperture lens. I've been wanting this for so long, and I guess you could say it's a Christmas gift for myself. And I really appreciate all the support and the amount of feedback I get from you guys. It really means a lot. So like I said, this is a thank you from me to you guys. Alright, so now that you've seen that video of me unboxing this lens, and tell me not, it's pretty freaking good. Like, I'm excited about this lens, but enough about the lens. You'll see more of that throughout the whole 2022 and also maybe the next couple weeks. So let's go into exactly why you clicked on this video. And when I talk about premium, I'm gonna say this word premium a lot in this portion of the video, is because it goes hand in hand with this. So check this out. Gates Innovation, if you guys haven't heard about them, Gates Innovation, they produce premium keys, and it's high quality keys. And you may be thinking, why do I need that? So check this out. This is your current BMW key that's being provided on the newer model BMWs. Anywhere from the 3 Series, X3s, and also this is not the one that has the display where all the fancy functions. I'm sure that Gates Innovation does provide that, but we're not gonna be talking about that today. But check this out. So this is a factory key, right? And this is off a 2022 320i 3 Series. When you look at this, it's light, it feels like plastic. The only thing that's premium of a feeling is gonna be the metal trim right over here. But when you hold on to it, it feels like it's a little bit flimsy. It does feel better than the previous key, which I will show you right now. So this right here is from my 2018 F80 M3. As you can see, this is another key from factory, but it doesn't feel like it's luxurious. So a lot of you guys are watching my channel. I think a lot of you guys can relate because you guys either have an F80 M3 or a 3 Series, or if you guys eventually want to move on to the F8X platform. But check this out. This is the key that you currently have or you're gonna have. So it doesn't look anything special, right? It doesn't feel like anything special. When you buy a car like a BMW that's so expensive, you want everything to feel premium. And I think Nowadays, BMW is moving towards that. This is why I'm so hyped about this product. And you know, on this channel, I won't tell you guys any products I don't stand behind because I don't want to like put my neck out there. But Gates Innovation is a really good company. So if you guys are really into the details, like I said, but check this out. This is why I'm making this video. So I'm gonna put B-roll overlap in this, but when you hold on to this key, it feels significantly heavier. And you may think lightweight, heavy and stuff, but when you hold on to it, it feels like premium. It feels like you're holding like a Bentley key or something like that. I never felt the Bentley key, but I'm just saying like the way the details are, you got the tricolors right over here on the side. And when you touch it, it just like this plastic part does feel like the OEM plastic on the keys. But when holding these side by side, this is probably this is probably double the weight as this. And you may think, like I said, it may not be a big difference. When you hold on to this key, I'm telling you right now, it is absolutely just a different experience. When you hold on to the key, unlock your door of your car, you just feel like this is a luxurious car and luxurious key. And if you're into details, this is something that you definitely want to check out. And if you're not into details, then who cares? Don't look at it. But I'm telling you, the guys at Gates Innovation has definitely outdone himself with this key. I know we gave a few of these keys away on our previous rally up in the Poconos, and also on our next rally, which you guys haven't followed. We're going to be having a rally up in Orlando, and unfortunately, currently right now, it's all sold out. So if you guys are thinking about joining it, too late. A lot of the early birds that picked up the tickets already, they're going to be a part of this rally, and also they're going to have a chance of winning this key and also other keys. I don't know how many keys that Gates is going to give us, but I know they're very generous. So they were able to provide us a whole bunch of keys last time, and we gave, I think, 2 out, and I think we gave a 3rd one out. I don't know, we gave a lot of keys out, but like I said, when you hold on to this key, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait for you guys. And this is a food scale that I use to measure my food, because actually I do a lot of portion control, which is not even involved in automotive stuff, but like I said, I weigh my food. So I'm gonna be weighing, that was a nice catch, but I'm gonna be weighing basically the factory key that's provided from the newer BMWs, that's basically the same shape as Gates Innovations. I'm gonna be recording with this. So as you can see, it's showing on this camera 1.38 ounces. Taking that off, and we're gonna be putting the Gates Innovations key onto the scale. And it's gonna go around here. That is showing 2.57 ounces, and the difference is gonna be right over here on weight-wise. So what I like about this company is that they're so easy to deal with. So once you purchase your key online, they send you a shipping label. The shipping label, all the cost of the shipping is handled by them. And once you ship the product over to them, it takes about 2 to 6 business days after the fact when they get it for the turnaround. And obviously during the holidays, they may be a little bit busy, so some of that may vary. So what's good about this key is that if you guys have an E chassis, right, like a E9X or even the F chassis, right, this is a good upgrade if you're like into the details. Me personally, as you can see from this channel, every single detail for me matters, and I think it speaks something about ourselves. Because when you show off your car and stuff, in general, we like modifying everything, right? We like modifying your car, why not modify the key? But this is especially good for the E-chassis models where the key is a little outdated. Obviously, you would need the ones that are keyless, because the ones that you need the key to put into the car, that's not gonna work, okay? Unless, correct me if I'm wrong, Gates Innovation, if you're watching this, let me know in the comments. And also, if you guys already have any experience about it, let me know in the comments. So again, I want to thank the team over at Gates Innovations for always being a supporter of BMW Invasion, and also providing me this key. And like I said, everything on this channel, like I put my name on it. I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm not going to tell you things that are good, that are not, because at the end of the day, that's on my reputation. And I value my reputation, and I want to give you guys the best opinions that I can provide. In 2022, you guys are not even ready yet. So I hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully this guys provide you guys some value. And other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.